Welcome to MCI channel. Topic of this video is how to apply for class 2 COC after clear your exams. So in this video you will go through the complete detailed step by step procedure for application of class 2 COC, and you will get the detailed information about it, which will save your time and money. So coming to the first page in the e-governance, there you will put your user ID and password to log in into your seafarer account. In this video, I will particularly focus on the major things which you should do and apply before application. So after login, this screen you will find there is a option for COC and COC revalidation. Below the examination tab, click on that and you will get the first page for the application. There on the right hand side corner, you will find the option for application for COC. But should you apply directly without knowing something important which might you have not come across? And before going there also, I will show you the highlighted steps. So you have to fill the application form and you have to generate the application number, pay the fees and upload the documents. This is the basic procedure. But before that, you have to check your result. So click on application for certificate of competency and check your result for part A and part B as well. If part A is not mentioned as not clear, then you have to mail. And all this column in the result section, you have to make it all in black and exempted and pass. If single paper is in red color, then it will be not possible to apply. So for that you have to mail on given mail ID in a below format. You can take screenshot. There you have to mention candidate name and index number. So it will be within a work to 1 or 2 working days it will be get cleared. Now moving on to the next step, click on the application for COC. There you will find this red color instruction. Candidate, please make sure that your name, date of birth, and place of birth must be completely same as per passport. So many get so many candidates have get rejected due to this, and they have mentioned that no fees will be refunded in a rejected criteria. And so many query back application also occurred in the previous years. So see, this place of birth in COC application is not as per passport, so rejected. So in anyhow case, you will not get your 3000. You have to pay again. So especially this video will focusing on the things which you have to take care before apply. Other thing is, if you have not done the high voltage management level course, your COC will come with a restriction where it is mentioned that candidate cannot perform duty on high voltage shift, that is 1 kV. So after clearing your result section and your high voltage, there is a list of courses they had mentioned, but please be cautious. In the last video section I have mentioned the video courses which you have to attach for document upload section. I will take it in the later stage. Now click on the continue. There is a one dialog box will open where it is mentioned that your name will be printed. This, if any modification you want, you can contact to Windows 7. So I made a separate video for that. Next is address. This address is only for delivery your COC by post. This address will not print on your COC. So this is only for COC to reach your given home address. So don't take it as a serious, but it is must be important to receive your COC. Click on continue. Third section is medical certificate detail. There you have to mention of the name of the doctor, DGS approval number of the doctor, place and date of issue. Here in medical certificate appendix 4 and 5 only you have to upload. Please guys, if you find this video informative and if you find useful in your future or if you now, then please subscribe this channel for future updates and keep it like. Now the fees detail. So 3000 is fees for COC application and they will not refund in any case. And while making payment, please do not make payment twice. Here the document list they have mentioned what document you have to upload. Scan copy of sign online application. I will be telling you later how to get your online application. Passport size they have mentioned clearly 3.5 by 3.5, signature, medical certificate, and modular courses. Here only they have mentioned modular courses. They have not mentioned which are. I will show you in the videos. So click on I agree, and here you will generate the application number by clicking on generate application number. You might take the screenshot of your application number for future reference if any query back or any issue occurs, or you can keep it down in a somewhere hard copy. Okay, after generating application number, you have to pay the fees. So it might possible you will get directed to the payment option, or it will take you somewhere time in the home page also. If you go to home page, in the last left hand side there is a pay COP fees, upload document and view status. There you can pay the fees also and you can upload the document also. So after once your application number is generated, then you have to pay the fees. So click on that. So now the pay now option is coming. There it will be transaction ID and your application number will be mentioned. Click on continue. If any issue occurs while payment, then you can mail given mail ID with a screenshot and the transaction ID reference number. Click on continue. There you will payment gateway page will open where you can use your as per the debit card, credit card, as per your preference you can use. After making payment, your payment status must be success. And this page also you can take screenshot or you just note down the transaction ID for future reference. You can take printout as well. So after making payment, your application will be received, but document will not be uploaded still. So this is only up to new application received. If you have not paid the fees, the payment is fee is not paid. Status will be like that. Now the next step is uploading documents. So you can go to the uploading document. After uploading document, it will the status of your application will be forwarded to DGS. If any query is not there, then it will be approved within 3 to 4 working days, maybe it maximum 1 week also. So these are the steps. First, new application received, forwarded to DGS, and the third is approved. So this is a sequence of your application status. If anything is beyond this, means that is an abnormal. Now the next section is document uploaded. So here, if you upload, first I have mentioned about the application form. So in the uploading document section, you can view and print application. So this is a red button, red color section, view and print application. You can take printout from there, and in the printout form you have to sign both the pages of application form. It is not like that you sign on the last page only. You have to sign both pages. Then normal your passport size photo and signature. Make sure your signature must be on a white paper with a black ink to get a good print on your certificate. And photo must be in a white background. Preference is white background. So you can click on browse and from your computer or a hard disk you can upload it. Here is the third thing, modular course. So this is a list of documents which you have to make a one single PDF and upload in a one section. There is no separate section to upload high voltage. You have to attach high voltage certificate with this only. Here two confusion regarding the MFA. If your MFA is more than 5 year old, then you have to do refresher MFA for application of COC. This is most confusing. Another is SDSD. Some people have SSO or something. SDSD is enough, not to require SSO. And your PSSR must be as per 2010. Maybe more than 5 year old, but it is as per 2010. So sequence can be anything as per your scanning, but this document you have to upload. And if you can skip, if you don't want high voltage, if you want that high voltage restriction is coming, then it's no issue. So after application, it will take 1 week to get approval. This is the approx time period which is normally found. This is not any official. This is as per experience of the candidates. And as per your location in India and the distance from the DG shipping nearby your, it will be 10 to 15 maximum days. It will be delivered by only speed post to your home address, which is you have mentioned in the application form. And the last step, after getting hard copy of COC at your home, the last and most important step is to get back your EXN 45 for future examination or future any revalidation. So for that, you have to mail to concern MMD to get a EXN 45 to your home address. So there is one form I have mentioned, given the format where you have to specify some information that which grade your examination you have applied, your name and your home address, and you have to mail the exami.mom@gov.in. It might be different if you have applied for Noida, Kolkata, Chennai MMD, and you have to mention about the first month of the attempt and the last month of the attempt of your examination. There is another one thing, that how much time after clearing exam you can apply COC. There is no time limit for application of COC. Friends, if any doubt regarding COC which is not may I have covered during this video, you can put it in comment. And thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and like this video.